What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
Yes, well, I was using the bathroom, you know, and I got a phone call, so I answered it, and it was my old lady, you know, so I told her to hold on. I put the phone on the sink to wash my hands, and it fell off the sink and fell face first on the floor. Then I noticed it was cracked.
Don't worry.
Oh.
I got you.
Okay.
Your phone is ready, sir.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
My
And
pleasure.
good work. And here you go.
How much was this?
That's 130.
You know what? It's my gift for you. You need more than me.
Thank you. Are you serious?
I am serious.
Oh, I appreciate it, man.
No problem, man. God bless you.
You too.
All right?
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
No problem.
Like they say, God got me.
Yes. Today is your day.
Yes, I appreciate it, man.
No problem.
I swear to God I do.
No
All that
problem.
work you did, man, I appreciate it.
No problem.
I do, man.
My pleasure. No problem.
You too. Thank you.
All right.